How to add sub-items on Monday.com. That's what we are going to do in today's video. First, make sure to like the video if you didn't like it yet, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget also to write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and also make sure to watch our other Monday videos. We have some videos guiding about Monday, so make sure to watch it. And let's get started. Our mission today is very easy and very simple. First, you have to open Monday.com dashboard. You just have to go and hover over any item that you want. Let's say, for example, item 1, and either right click on it and go down and click on Add Subitem. You can do it right like this, and the sub item is now loading. As you can see, now we have sub items in item 1. So these sub items are just sub items for item 1 only. So let's add another sub item. Let's make it this sub item 2 and click on enter. As you can see, it's now sub item 2. Just like the main items, you can add columns, you can choose the data type of the columns, or you can even add or clear columns to this sub items. Let's make it again here. For example, right click, add sub items. Very simple, very easy. That's all about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.